Do you want to use YouTube to grow your business, but you don't know where to start? Well, then keep watching because this video is for you. Hi, I'm Petra, and if we haven't met yet, I will help you get more views, leads, and sales with YouTube. So if that sounds interesting, consider subscribing. Okay, so if you thought about using your YouTube channel to grow your business, you might have fallen into the trap of thinking that you need thousands of subscribers to actually make money with it. And trust me, I thought so too, until I hit 10,000 subscribers and over 750,000 views, and I had zero money in the bank. So what I've seen time and time again with me and my students is that subscribers don't equal money or customers. The truth is that the only thing that differentiates someone who's successful on YouTube from the one that isn't is strategy. Today I spent less time on YouTube, but I was able to grow my business to 10k euros a month. So that's that. So basically what you want to do is to think about who's your customer and how does their customer journey look like, and then you reverse engineer it to be able to create a system that works for you. So let me know in the comments below. I would be super curious to know who do you help, what you do, and what niche you're in. But let's say that you are a sales coach. So therefore your ultimate goal might be to book more clients, book more coaching clients. And therefore your customer's journey might look something like this. So let's say Natalie is a beginner entrepreneur and now she wants to learn how to deal with objections because this is a great pain for her. So she goes on YouTube and types sales objections. She finds your video in the search, clicks on it, has an aha moment, and decides to download your freebie to learn more. Then every day she gets an email from you until, on example, the 5th day, she gets an invitation to buy your course or your one-on-one coaching. Enjoying this video so far? Hit the like button to let me know. So now that you know the steps that someone has to take to become your customer using YouTube, then you can just go back and write down the steps to create a system that works for you. So the first step would be to create an SEO optimized content that can get you discovered on YouTube, which means that you're going to start creating educational videos around your customers' pains and needs, like for instance in the example of Natalie, sales objections. I speak about how I hit 100,000 views on one of my videos and was able to rank it first both in the YouTube and Google search in my free guide, and you can download it either by clicking this link or you will also find it in the description below. The second step is to create a lead magnet. So this can be an ebook, exactly as the one I just talked about. You see what I've done there? Or it can be, of course, also a webinar or a mini training series. And the third step is that you will create a strategy on how to convert those leads into customers. And this is exactly what I'm going to talk about in my upcoming 3-day YouTube challenge that is starting on the 10th of May. I will teach you exactly how to turn viewers into customers. You can click the link here or again in the description below. Smart entrepreneurs utilize the different strengths of different social media. In this case, YouTube is the second biggest search engine after Google. And I mean, Google pretty much owns YouTube, so you get the idea. So if done right, YouTube is going to bring organic traffic to your business on autopilot. So let me know in the comments if you agree. So there you go, your YouTube marketing strategy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.